With Black Friday just around the corner, we already see lots of products with early offers ahead of the late November mega sale, and there will be some red-hot phone deals. Buying a smartphone can be a difficult task, as everyone's needs are different, but thanks to the sheer scale of Black Friday sales, no matter what you're looking for, there should be something that fits your style. Watch our video to see the best deals available, and go through the description below to see all the featured products and their price rates. The new Xperia 1 was made with the advanced technology from Sony's professional monitors, cameras, and audio devices to deliver the best experience in a smartphone. At the Black Friday deal, you can save over $250 on this smartphone. It features the world's first 21:9 center-wide 4K HDR OLED display and a pro-quality triple-lens camera. You can enjoy Dolby Atmos through your phone, which creates a fantastic audio experience with multi-dimensional sound that follows above and around you. It has raw noise reduction for clear images in low light and precision focus for striking portraits. With a sleek metal frame and durable Corning Gorilla Glass 6 front and back, it looks as good as it feels. However, its 12.0 MP triple lens camera system offers a 21:9 cinema ratio, 4K HDR movie recording, and 2x optical zoom to capture details without losing quality. The Samsung Galaxy A71 smartphone comes with a 6.7-inch touchscreen display with 1080 by 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and runs Android 10 and is powered by a 4500 mAh battery. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy A71 on the rear packs a 64 megapixel primary camera with a second 12 megapixel camera and a third 5 megapixel camera and a fourth 5 megapixel camera. It sports a 32 megapixel camera on the front for selfies as well. This phone runs One UI 2.0 based on Android 10 and packs 128 gigabytes of built-in storage that can be expanded via microSD card with a dedicated slot. Besides, you can save up to $105 over this product at this deal. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy A71 include Wi-Fi 802.11ac, GPS, Bluetooth V 5.0, USB Type-C, 3G, and 4G. Plus, it is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. Featuring the most advanced LCD in a smartphone, we have Apple iPhone XR next on the list. It has a 6.1-inch liquid retina display with industry-leading color accuracy and an innovative backlight design that allows the screen to stretch into the corners. The advanced Face ID lets you securely unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay with just a glance. It uses a 12 MP rear camera and 7 MP front camera accompanied by an innovative sensor and neural engine to capture memories like never before. This iPhone comes with an internal memory of 128 gigabytes. Its built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery paves the way for seamless battery performance. Besides, you get 23% off for this product. A legendary design is reimagined with a Razr 5G smartphone from Motorola. The phone comes with a 6.2-inch touchscreen primary display with a resolution of 2142 by 876 pixels and an aspect ratio of 21:9. It also features a 2.7-inch touchscreen as its second display with a resolution of 800 by 600 pixels and an aspect ratio of 4:3. An octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor powers this. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and runs Android 10 and is powered by a 2800 mAh battery. On the rear, it packs a 48 megapixel camera that has an autofocus setup and sports a 20 megapixel camera on the front for selfies. This phone runs My UX based on Android 10 and packs 256 gigabytes of inbuilt storage and is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and eSIM cards. This connectivity option on the Motorola Razr 5G include Wi-Fi 802.11a, b, g, n, ac, GPS, Bluetooth V 5.0, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G, and 4G. The Pixel 4 XL 64GB smartphone from Google is designed to provide a more intelligent and intuitive mobile experience. With a front near-infrared flood emitter and dot projector via facial recognition, even in extremely low light environments. The display is a massive 6.3-inch QHD flexible OLED with a 19:9 aspect ratio, HDR support, 100,000 to 1 contrast, and full 24-bit color depth. The dual rear 16MP and 12MP cameras use phase detection for fast focusing and a combo of optical and electric image stabilization to produce sharp imaging results when it comes to mobile photography. An 8MP front camera delivers a 90-degree FOV for selfies that include more of your surroundings. Running the Android operating system, this phone is powered by a fast 2.84, 1.78 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor and 6 GB of LDDR4 RAM. You can store your apps, 4K videos, and wide-angle selfies on 64 GB of built-in storage. Surf the internet at high speeds with this cosmic black Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G smartphone. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display provides bright, detailed visuals, while the 4500 mAh battery offers 34 hours of use on a single charge. Its 120Hz smooth motion display is matched with a slim body to fit in your hand comfortably. It uses a 12MP wide, 64MP telephoto, 12MP ultra-wide rear-facing camera, and rear depth sensing camera. The multi-perspective camera system emulates the human eye's sophistication, adjusts view and focus, and intelligently applies settings to create amazing images. Plus, its 30x space zoom is capable of capturing every detail, even on the moon. The powerful, intelligent battery optimizes use based on how you live to deliver an intuitive and energetic peak performance throughout the day. Your 8K videos, 33MP video snaps, and depth vision portraits can be saved on its 128 GB of internal storage, which can be upgraded with a microSD card up to 1 TB in size. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.